Hey everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. I'm Muskan and today we have our special guest Abhishek who just cleared TCS for Ninja role. Okay, Abhishek, please give us your introduction before we start.
Yes, thank you, Muskan, for inviting me here, and it is a great platform to share my experience. So my name is Abhishek, and I'm from Bandara district, from Maharashtra. I did my graduation from D.Y. Patel College of Engineering and Technology. My stream was computer science and engineering, and during my academic journey, I have developed a strong foundation in various programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, SQL, and some basic things related to cloud. From the very beginning, I'm very interested in cloud, so I did some courses and certification in cloud. And right now, I'm working in TCS, and I'm very fortunate to share you that I got a project which is related to my domain.
Okay, that's really great. So, what date did you give your interview, Abhishek, and what is your salary package?
Yeah, I think it was 17th of June, uh, my interview date, which is scheduled in Nagpur, and they offered me 3.4 LPA.
Okay. So, when and how did you get to know about this hiring? Like, it was it on campus or off campus?
No, it was a totally off-campus drive, and I think in April month, I have appeared for NQT test, and I think after 3 months they declared the result, and I cleared the NQT. Then in June month, they scheduled my interview. Exactly after a month, I received one mail. I just cleared my interview, and in August 2025, I got my joining, and my base location and my training location is Pune.
Okay. Okay, so like how many rounds were there till your interview?
It is it took basically 3 rounds. First one is an NQT test, which is basically aptitude and reasoning test, and then if you crack that first round, then in interview they took uh, 2 rounds. First one is a technical round, and second one is HR round.
Okay. So tell us
Yeah.
one by one about these rounds. So first of all, we will just talk about the first round, like how many questions were there, how tough was that, and if you even remember few questions, like exact questions, you can tell us that.
So first round was aptitude and reasoning. And in aptitude round, there is I think three section, which is aptitude, reasoning, and English and grammar. And the last round was coding round. So in coding, they asked us two codes, and I still remember I got two array codes which we have to solve. And it was a basic aptitude test and reasoning test. So I will suggest just go through the online stuff which is related to the aptitude, and there is a lots of video which is available on YouTube, and especially thank to your channel which helped me to clear my basic aptitude questions and answers, and your platform especially provide a latest content which is related to NQT, and especially your that aptitude video from your playlist which helped me a lot to revise my everything.
Okay, that's really great hearing like that from you. Okay, so like when did you realize that coding is so important to clear all this?
So in first year I took coding very easily. Like then after I think second third year I realized how coding is very important in day to day life. And right now we are shifting towards AI. So coding is very important for us to survive in IT sector. So I will suggest especially who are appearing for the NQT and upcoming NQT. So just learn from the basic, understanding the basic concept in your particular coding language is very important. And I went through the basic concept. I understand the basic concept very clearly. Take your time, and I will suggest please choose one particular language, handle it, learn it, and I think for particular NQT, you should have a special structure so you can uh, improve your speed, your accuracy for that particular language, and
Okay, okay,
your discipline is very important to handle that particular language.
okay. So that's really great. So, like, just tell us about your technical interview round. Like, it was also related to coding only, na? So we just want that in detail. Like, students are very like confused in that, like what they ask or what they have to do in that, or they just tell you to do it on computer when they ask, or you write it on paper, or what kind of interview was that?
Yeah, so in my technical round, they asked me some basic things related to C, C++, Java, Python, SQL. They ask about some queries in SQL, which is how to create table, how to connect rows and columns. And then in C, C++, they asked me about data types and some basic question, theory question of C and C++. And I think they asked me one code to write a one code that is, I think, find a factorial of any number. And they specially asked about my internships and some deep question regarding my project.
Okay. So like what did you, in what field, or what was your internship? Like what was that? So just tell us that. What question did they ask from you?
Yes. So in 2024, I did one internship in Geo Platform Limited. My role was full stack developer there, and they asked me about how did you get an internship in Geo Platform Limited and what is your work there. And then I told them like my work was uh, in front end and back end as well, and which language did you use in your internship, and how to connect front end to back end, which database did you use, which front end language did you use, and how to handle APIs. And if you are talking about my project, my final year project was totally based on IoT system. So it was a movement detection system for comatose patient.
Okay.
So I told them how to install a Python 3, and 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 the main thing was in my project we implement a spy camera to detect the small movement of comatose patient. It was a big task for us to detect that small movement of comatose patient. So it was a great round, and they actually impressed by me.
Okay.
Yeah,
So they basically cover your resume also while asking all that.
yeah, yes, yes. Especially for Ninja candidate, they asked about your resume, and I will suggest please mention a thing which you are going through, and please clear your consent which you are mentioning in your resume.
Okay, okay. So that was just
Yeah.
about your technical, right? So what was the difficulty? What do you think? Was it easy or medium?
No, it was easy. If your
Okay.
consent is clear, it's
Then
totally
it's
easy.
easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's come to HR round. So what was the questions? You can just tell us quickly.
My HRO was about, I think, 2 minutes, I guess. Just
It
they
was
asked
about
me,
2 minutes.
yeah, they just asked me about my name, my college name, and then they asked me about some policies regarding the TCS. And this, I think, especially they asked me uh, for are you available for the night shift? And your answer should be yes for that question.
Okay. What if you say no?
Then I think maybe a 50-50 chance
Okay, so I
for
don't think so.
rejection.
It's um, um, that round where you get deselected or something like that.
No, I think Ninja for the Ninja candidate, uh, lots of projects offer a night shift.
Okay, okay,
So you should, yeah, so you should say yes for the night shift.
okay. So if it was just about around 5 minutes, then how long was your interview round?
Technical interview.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so I think it was about 20 or 25 minutes.
That was also short. Like for few candidates,
Yeah.
it is also 1 hour long or something like that.
Yes, yes, yes.
So what was your overall experience? And any tips how to prepare? Just tell us that. That's the last thing.
So how to prepare? First of all,
Yeah, how to prepare and what was your overall experience?
I will suggest please clear your basic concepts regarding the coding, and please uh, do not neglect your aptitude and reasoning for that coding purpose. And I will suggest please go through some YouTube channels, and especially your channel that is online study for you. Especially your channel helped me a lot during my studying phase, during my job preparation. The channel provided a clear explanation regarding the study material, and the main thing is a regular update. So it is it will give you uh, accurate information in one place. And especially thanks to Pratik sir, which provided regular update regarding the NQT. And for the new candidate, I will suggest start early. Do not waste your time and focus on basic things. Practice on the daily basis. And then for aptitude and reasoning, you should explore internet. There are lots of channel on YouTube, and please refer study for you. It will definitely guide you properly. And please pick only one programming language. Uh, so it will
So
help
any
you a lot.
language you want to suggest that students should do this at least?
I will suggest Python. So Python is short, so student uh, use it very properly while
Yes, yes.
giving a coding round. And it took very less time to complete your code. So I will suggest Python that.
Okay, Abhishek. That was really great, and you gave really good tips to the students. Thank you so much for this information and your time. Thank you, Abhishek.
Thank you, Muskan.